Hi boys and girls, today we're going to look at number 7, so take out your number worksheet. Alright, number 7. So we're going to start off with an easy across line for number 7 on the top line. So put your finger on the top line and easy across. Alright, now let's try the number 7. So we're going to put our finger on the top line, make an easy across line, and then we're going to go down the steps to the writing line. Let's do it again. Put our finger on the top line, easy across, and down the steps to the writing line. Perfect. Here, let's count how many pencils we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so in this first house set of lines, we're going to make one easy across line. Start on the top line, easy across. Perfect. Now we're going to go and make our 7. Put our pencil on the top line, easy across, and then down the steps. Let's make another one. Finger or pencil on the top line, easy across, down the steps. So on the rest of this line, I would like you to make a few more 7s. When you're done with that, we're going to go to the next house set of lines, and we're going to make the number 1, which is a tall line down from the top line to the writing line. Then we're going to make a number 2, two number 2s, a number 3. Each one of these has where you trace one and then make one yourself. A number 4. Miss K will go back and make her last number 1 there. And then on the last house lines, you're going to make the numbers 5, 6, and 7. So go ahead and take your time on doing those. Again, boys and girls, don't rush. We are doing the best handwriting that we can. Best handwriting that we can. And when you are done making a number on every dot, you're going to turn the page. Now on these ones, we are going to, again, count all of the objects in each square. And then you're going to write the number on the line. You're going to write the number on the line. When you're done, turn it into your teacher. Thank you.